everyone. You must have seen websites with those clean modern sliding panels like hidden menus, shopping cart panels, quick info panels. So that's exactly we can achieve in Elementor with off canvas widget. So let's see how to do it. To understand off canvas, we can say basically it means any content that lives outside the visible screen and slides in when triggered. So it's perfect for mobile menus, shopping carts, login pop-ups, filters for e-commerce, and some quick contact details or some quick info panel. And with Elementor, you can build all of this visually without touching any code. To build it, you must have Pro version because this widget comes with the Pro version. Now to apply this, you are working on a two part. First is a trigger. So it controls the panel, and second is a content area, that is panel itself. So trigger can be image, icon, button or anything, and panel holds our hidden content. So you have to go into the Pro and click on off canvas. Now as you click on the widget, this is your off canvas widget. So this black overlay part shows your screen area, and this white part will be your panel area. So what we are trying to do here, we have a blog page, and on blog page we are putting one button. So whenever user wants to reach out, they need to click on a button, so they will have access of this form. That's what we are trying to achieve. So that button will be triggered and the form will be panel content. So in panel, I'm designing. This design is similar to the page section designing. So you can put anything you want. So here I am putting a form. Okay, so this simple form is ready just for demo purpose. Now container, for now I am making it 100% and keeping content centrally aligned. Okay, so our content part is ready. Our off canvas panel is ready. Now let's see how it is called on a trigger. Now as you can see, as you select the widget, you will find here editing mode. So whenever this is off, you will see you are not able to achieve that panel to edit. So whenever you want to edit content or anything, you need to select widget and go into the editing mode. Now here we have off canvas name. So I am adding here contact form. Okay. So this is our panel name. Now let's apply our trigger. So I'm hiding this temporary. Okay. Let's add some dummy data to assuming that we have a blog page. Okay, so we have a blog page, and here we want to give user that contact button. So I'm adding button now. Now to apply trigger, we need to go into the link dynamic tags. So when you select here you will find off canvas. So select it. Now as you select it, and when you click on this word, you will find additional setting. So first is the action, what you want to do with this button. So we just want to open the canvas. So, and here we have a list of our off canvas widgets. So we have created one, so that is a contact form. Now let's see how it works. Okay, on click of it, we have our panel, and when I click on this overlay, it's gone. Now let's add some motion and let's see what are the other options we can play around. Okay, I'm selecting here widget. Now let's quickly say this. In layout, you can change position, you can give width, height. That is our layout section. In style, you can work on the styling of the panel. Also, we have overlay styling here. Now, here you will find settings. So here we have a entrance animation. So currently it is just come and go. So here we are adding sliding from left. That's what we are achieving, and slide out left. So when user clicks it, it comes with the sliding and goes with the sliding. So let's see how it shows. Okay, I'm clicking on the overlay. Now in a panel, I want to give access of closing this panel. So for that, I'm selecting the off canvas thing, and here I am adding another trigger. So for that, let me add icon. Okay, so we have added icon, and here we are going in the link, and again we are selecting that action of canvas. After selecting, we are changing the setting. What we want to do, we want to close this panel. So close off canvas, which one? Contact form. Okay, so now instead of overlay, we have also improved that user experience with this button. Now, if you go into the setting, I'm selecting again off canvas. In settings, you will find additional interaction thing. So what are those? First is a prevent closing on overlay. So currently user clicks on a black part and it closing. You can prevent that. You can also prevent closing on escape overlay. So when user click on a escaping on that key, you can also prevent that. Disable page scrolling. So while this is open, there is a page scroll going on. You can also prevent that. So those are additional interaction is also available. Now, when you choose here position, you can also select any relevant animation like fade in or pop up or whatever, zoom in, zoom out, etc. So you can play around and see what can you achieve with this widget. It's a wonderful widget to give extra information on the page. So that's it for today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.